Greetings everyone. Today I'm going to be conducting an egg experiment about eggs. So really, what this experiment is about is that I'm going to place a raw chicken egg inside of a jar of vinegar, and then after a week we'll see what happens. So the question that I want answered in this experiment is if one regular egg can be dropped from a high surface and survive without breaking. So what I think will happen is that the egg, it will be bouncy and it would survive from a high surface and won't break. So first of all, for the method, place the egg in a jar of vinegar, and one reminder, place the lid on the jar because the vinegar would stink up the whole house. Then after that, you would wait for 1 whole week if you want perfect results. And then you would take the egg out of the vinegar and then place it in a bowl of cold water. Rub off any of the skin that it has left, and then after that, you'll be left with a rubbery and bouncy egg. So in the end, the egg turned out very well. It was rubbery and bouncy as well, but it's not as bouncy as you think. So if you drop this from about 1 meter high, the egg would just break like a normal egg. So it can drop from about a surface like this. So you can also place this under a light and it would glow in the dark. So you may be wondering, how does this all work? Well, the answer is this. When you place the egg in the jar of vinegar, they are both extremely reactive. What the egg has inside of it is a substance called calcium carbonate. And the vinegar, what that has inside of it, is something called acetic acid. The small bubbles that you would see on the egg when you place it in the vinegar is the acetic acid reacting to the calcium carbonate, which is the eggshell. And what this does is that the acetic acid is taking the eggshell away from the egg, leaving an untouched membrane behind. So in the end, my hypothesis completes the fact that the egg is rubbery and bouncy. But it sort of fails the fact that the egg cannot bounce from high surfaces, which is disappointing. So if you want to try this experiment out with a boiled egg, I recommend that you don't do it, because what happens is that, from my experiences, the egg becomes very hard and shriveled up, not even rubbery. So thank you for listening to my project, and hope you all have a good day.